Hey folks, this is Mark with OrientWatchUSA.com, and this is CUTO5005B. Now this is part of Orient's quartz collection, and what I want to do here is really go into the functionality because this watch is packed with features. Okay? First thing I want to show you is the buckle, which you'll see which has the Orient logo on it. Press both sides to open the clasp, and if you want to lock it up again, just close it till you hear a snap, and then you're all done. Look at this beautiful, beautiful combination of matte and finished metals for the band. Seeing from the back always is easier. And after you've seen this band from the back, take a look how it works with the watch itself. You'll see that there's a design element if you look at the profile of the case with the red dots for the crowns. Actually, one of these is just a slide rule, and I'll show you that, okay, in a little bit. Take a look at the case back. You'll see that the Orient logo is there, as well as some of the product information right there. And this band is indeed solid. As you can tell from the band, it is absolutely solid from the side. So it is solid in construction, and this case is a 50-meter case, folks. Alright, so what I want to do is throw it on a band, and so I can talk about some of the functionalities of this movement. And the first thing I want to show you is that it's got date, day, a 24-hour indicator, and a bezel that you can use, a rotating bezel that you can use to find other people's time in different time zones. And the first thing I want to show you is how to pivot some of these things. I mean, you can see from this video how detailed that dial is. It's just a really gorgeous piece, and because you know, the video speaks for itself, I'm not going to really talk about the design. You can take a look. You can see how gorgeous it is. From the indexes, from the use of the red, as well as the use of that white to cohesively build one watch. By the way, that white and red combination is also part of Orient's logo, which is probably the reason why they decided to go with it. So what I want to do is pull out the crown to its first position and take a look at the date wheel. And you can see I can pivot that like that. Pull it out one more step and I can adjust the time. Now, say for example, it's noon in Los Angeles, okay? If it's noon in Los Angeles, that means Los Angeles is at 12. What this button does over here, you'll see how the city names rotate as I do this. The inner bezel over there, it's fixed. So you see Los Angeles around 15. Let me align it at 12. And once it's aligned like this, all the time zones using the inner bezel works for the world time. I hope this was an informative video, and this is CUTO5005B. Hope to see you wearing it soon.